welcome to Veganuary day 12. I'm so tired. It's Sunday. I've been just laying around. I was up last night watching videos online, doom scrolling. That's what I do. But today, thank you, Microwave. Microwave says we got a new recipe for you today. And it is from another Deliciously Ella cookbook. Is that glare?
No, I can see.
Okay. This one, I think, is a little bit older. I don't know. Probably a reprint, and it's got the American sizes in it, like tablespoons and, you know, all that. Not that it's that much of a difference, but we have a dessert recipe or a snack recipe for chocolate chia cookies. And she says this is one of the most popular recipes on her food blog. Wow. And I picked it. How about that? So this is obviously chocolate chia nuts. When it said it had 14 ounces of nuts in it, I didn't realize that this is what 14 ounces of nuts looks like. We have macadamia nuts on the top, and we have pecans hiding under their
shadow.
Yeah, sorry. But she said she uses almonds and hazelnuts. Well, I don't have hazelnuts, and I can't eat almonds because I'm allergic to them. So we're going to go with macadamia and pecan. So before my microwave scolds me again, let me get what I have in there out.
Hurry, hurry.
So this recipe calls for medjool dates. So I have 5 medjool dates that I've taken the pits out. And what I usually do to give my food processor a break is to soak these in boiling water so that they're not as hard. But I don't want to use any water because of the recipe is going to be too wet then. So I took the coconut oil that is in the recipe and I just drizzled it on top of the medjool dates and heated it up in the microwave like that. So hopefully it'll be okay. We'll find out. But the first thing that we're going to do is take our nuts over to the food processor and grind them into a butter, nut butter. All right, I have a feeling this is going to be super loud, so you're probably not going to want to listen. All right, not exactly a drippy nut butter, but looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take, so basically it says put in the rest of the ingredients after you do the nut butter. So I've got my coconut oil, a couple tablespoons, 5 medjool dates. Want to get all of that coconut oil out. Like there's not enough oil in here already from the nuts. Alright, and then we're also going to be putting in, well, she said maple syrup, but it's agave rules because this is the one that's open. The maple syrup isn't open yet, and it's basically the same. So she said 7 tablespoons, so let's estimate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, next up is the chia seeds because it's in the title. Chocolate chia. So I've got a coffee scoop in here. And we all know a coffee scoop says it's 2 tablespoons, but it's a little bit less than 2 tablespoons. So it's supposed to be 3 tablespoons. So I'm going to do just a little bit more than what I think is 3. We also need 3 heaping tablespoons of raw cacao. So this is also a coffee scoop size pretty much. So I'm going to do 3 of those and say it's heaping. In the recipe it does say that if you don't have the raw cacao, and you can use cocoa powder, but I think she said double it. Because this is very strong tasting as compared to the regular cocoa powder. Now let me just check my ingredients. Oh, flour. We need 1 2/3 cup of buckwheat or quinoa flour. I didn't feel like making quinoa flour because most of her recipes are gluten-free. So I'm just going to use my Italian flour because I don't have any buckwheat either. Maybe I should do this first and then add the flour because I don't want it to be like flour mushroom cloud. Let's see. Coming together quite nicely. So now let's add our flour. So we said 1 2/3 cups. All right. Oh boy, are you excited?
I am.
These look like they're going to be super tasty. She said they're super crunchy. I love crunchy cookies. Good thing Maddie's not here because she likes soft cookies. You could probably scrape down. That'll probably help a little bit. Uh-oh.
Somebody's making a mess.
Oh no!
Oh no! It's getting worse.
I might have to eat this.
No, you don't eat raw flour.
Oh. My food processor sounds like it's getting ready to die. Uh-oh.
It's very dry.
It is very dry. I have a feeling if my food processor was a little bit bigger, like if I took this out and put it into a bowl, it would probably mix a little bit better, but I'm not opposed to adding a couple of drops of non-dairy milk. Alright, my husband made me reshake this. So, what is that, like?
Nothing.
3 tablespoons. Alright. Oh, I'm slopping up the milk, too.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm a sloppy cook. Yeah, much better. One more try. Sounds like it's dying, so we're just gonna transfer this to a bowl. Alright, we transferred it to the bowl, and sometimes the best things to mix with are the things that you were born with. Your hands. Just saying. So, it looks really, really good. I might have had a little bit of a taste, and it tastes really good. The only qualms I have about this is that she said this amount of dough makes 12 to 15 cookies. Who the hell is eating 1/12 to 1/15 of this? This is going to be huge. I would say this is going to make like 30 Janet-sized cookies. Just saying.
Maybe they like a big cookie in the UK.
Maybe they do. But I thought she said like tablespoon size.
I don't know.
How did I get so much dough? Alright, so I'm going to do mine like this. Obviously, these aren't going anywhere because there is no baking powder in here. So I have a feeling these aren't going to spread very much. So I'm going to put them pretty close together on the cookie sheet. Watch, they'll all like melt into one big thing.
You'll just be cutting them into squares or whatever.
Yeah. Alright, well, come back when I have all these rolled out because I'm not going to bore you with that. Alright, I was wrong. I'll be the first to admit it. It didn't make 30, but it made 21. Here they are. The author says to bake it at 400, but I have the best oven in the world.
Yeah.
Sorry. I have to take it down a few notches, so I'm going to do mine at 375 for, I think it's about 20 minutes. Where's my cookbook?
It's under the cookies.
Oh. Let's see what how long she says here. 20 minutes. So I'll check them after about 16 minutes. And generally with cookies, you take them out before you think they're ready because they're going to continue to cook on the pan as they cool. So don't take them out when you think they're exactly right because they're still going to be cooking. So I'm going to put in the big sheet first for 20 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, looks like I blew it. I only left them in for 15 minutes.
They look a little...
And they're a little toasty around the edges. I should have went with my gut when I smelled the chocolate just starting to turn. But see what you think. Maybe they're not as bad as they look.
Looks like you can see the
Chia?
chia seeds.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
They're reflective.
Yes. Why do you have to be such a smartass? I guess it's better than being a dumbass.
Okay.
They're crunchy.
A little dry. With milk, they'd be very good.
Mm-hmm. They remind me of a shortbread.
Or coffee.
Are we gonna have to make coffee now?
Yes.
They don't taste burnt. I'd make again.
Yeah.
Except for the millions of calories in there from the giant bowl of nuts. But I guess you need healthy fats.
You do? You do?
They're alright. They're whole foods, baby. They're not overly sweet.
They're not overly sweet. That's what I was going to say.
Yeah. You were going to say that?
No, they're just right.
Wonderful. Great job, Ella.
Thanks, Ella.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'm getting ready to do my mise en place for the second video that we're filming today, which is going up on day 13. That's going to be for a vegan curry. So if you like curry, or even if you don't, please come back. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. And until then, much love.